Hey everybody, welcome to Tulang Laut Johor Bahru. And in front of us on the left is the RTS Link connecting Johor Bahru to Singapore via overhead train, which I am definitely waiting for it to happen. Probably another 2 to 3 weeks. Sorry, 2 to 3 years. By the way, we are here not for that, but it's good to have a look at it. I'm here because I have lots of this rabbit food in my hand because I have a rabbit that I use for my magic show. Wow, it's so windy. I better change you guys to wind reduction. Sorry about that. The microphone was set to 360 direction focus, so and then I figured out that we have some pigeons here. I figured out that we are in a windy situation, so that's why I've changed it to wind reduction. So the question is, the pigeons will enjoy having this rabbit food, because as you can see, it is quite enormous. It's quite big for their mouths or their beaks. There's only one way to find out. They flew away. Let's find other targets. Feels good to have my shoes a little bit dug into the beach, the sandy beach. Quite muddy here. So we have a lot of pigeons in front of us. Let's give them a try. We are so lucky living in Johor Bahru because we are allowed to eat any animals. Let's see. Oh, they are enjoying it. Do they? No? Yes? I don't know. As I was saying, we are still allowed in Malaysia to feed the wild animals. No, they are not enjoying it. Do they? They are. Slowly. Because as I said just now, it's too big for their beak. It's too big for their beaks. But across the state of Johor over there is Singapore. Oh wow, look at that! Otter! I was hearing somebody screaming, and look at that! That's an otter! Ah, let's go! There it is! Can you see that? Ah, where's it going? It's alone! See? God, there it is! It is my partner, I guess. Swam so fast. Look at that. Coincidentally, I've just watched the last episode of Uptown Otters, program by Singapore authorities, I guess. Maybe a collaboration between the authorities and the wildlife authorities and the private sector. And today I got to see a real life one. So back to our pigeons. They're not interested. It's too big for them. No. Well, better keep this for fishes. Maybe the fishes will have it. Will enjoy this rabbit food. I was saying, across the state of Johor is Singapore, where feeding the wildlife is forbidden. You cannot feed any wildlife, even any individual birds. No. So they're not enjoying it, so we better back to the stairs that I came down from, and probably we'll have the chance to have a look at that lonely otter again. Let's have a hunt for the otter, the lonesome otter. While we are looking for that otter, we'd like to talk about feeding the wildlife. Of course, we as humans, we like to share what we have. Sharing is caring. But there is a negative effect of feeding the wildlife. I mean, the wildlife will start to rely on food from the human, and they will gradually lose their skill to feed themselves. That's one thing. Second thing is, they will start to invade the homes of us humans, or at least they will start to live near humans. And the effect is, for instance, let's take the monkeys for instance, which I'm already being warned by one of my subscribers. He says that stop feeding the monkeys. So I will. I know it's fun to see them eating whatever you feed them, but the effect is they will grow, their numbers will grow, they will start to breed and start to become out of control. And I've heard cases where wild monkeys invade a person's home and starts to get their groceries like eggs and things like that, and later on we will call them as thieves. Meanwhile, they are just feeding themselves, because as you know, humans start to invade their territories, their forests and jungles, and they do not have any place to live. That is why they live closer to us. And yeah, meanwhile, let me show you this video. So you can see that I saw a pair of hornbills birds right near to my mom's place. It's in town, surprisingly. So you can see, when humans invade the wildlife territories, their habitats, they will start to invade ours. It's not that they intended to do that purposely, but they do not have any place to live. They have lost their homes. So I know that my subscribers, my viewers are not too many yet, but to pass the messages, please be kind to wildlife and do not touch them or disturb them. Let them coexist with us, share our homes, right? So I will attempt to hunt for the otter, not to hurt or kill it, but to have a look at it closer. Seems to be failing. He's not here anymore. So maybe next time. Alright guys, for that and with that, I would like to thank you for joining me in this video, and I will see you in the next one. Cheerio!